Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 44 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will work on our cart page, right? In our previous video, we have seen that how to implement the add to cart functionality and remove from the cart. We are saving the data in the local storage until the user confirm the order, right? So in this cart page he will confirm the order. When he proceed to payment, then we will ask his username, login and whatever. If he logged in, then we will shift his data to the in our database, else we will remove from the storage if he not logged in after some time, right? So this is the whole thing. So now we are going to work on this all item, or you can say the my cart page, right? So here we will fetch the data, and we will also implement the remove functionality from the cart, right? We don't need to implement the update because the project is source code. So this is actually marketplace for source code, right? So this is not a e-commerce for purchasing the items like grocery and other things which needs quantity, but this needs no quantity, because once this source code anyone can download one time or two time, that will be the same. Okay, so now we are going to work on this page. So let's start to work on this. Okay, so let's fetch the data from this page. So two things we will implement. First of all, we will fetch the data, and here we will show the number of items in the cart like we are doing here, right? So let's fetch the data. So like we are doing in the header, we are using the context. So with the help of context, because we need context, because here we also need to remove the item from the cart, so that we need this context. Okay, if we don't need the context, then we will not, if we not use the context, then it will not update this one, right? So let's copy this and go to the checkout page, checkout component. Here we will paste. We will only use the cart context, right? So now from the cart context constant, and then we will say cart data, then we will say set cart data equal to, before using the use context, we need to import this from the React. Here we will import use context, right? And then we can show the cart context. Right now everything is in the cart data, right? So first of all, let's show here the length dot length, right? So here you can see this is 2. Okay, now we need to we need to implement this tr. So what I will do, I will remove this, right? And let's remove this one and also this one. Okay, and then we also need the total. Okay, so we will do something for the total also. So let's keep it as it is. Okay, now here what we will do, card data dot map, and then we have a function here that should return, okay, that will return this thing, right? So what we will doing, map, and then here we have an item and here we have an index, right? So return, let's remove this. Oh, return this one. All right, so why this is not working? Let's go to the product detail and let's see in this map, this. So everything is correct. Image, map, and checkout. Don't need to use the return actually. This is cart data, and we are doing everything okay. Here we are. All right, so cart data dot map. Oh, I understand. Actually cart data dot product, because everything in the product. Product, no product cart data. Let's actually console this. So we will see here array object product. Actually this should work because cart data is okay, cart data dot map item index. If we do here I no, we don't need to show this is index, and then we can do, or we can do item dot id, item dot product dot id, item dot product dot id, and then we can show item dot product dot title, right? Actually we are saving these two things currently in our cart. So let's see. So nothing is showing here. Let's see the above component error according to the checkout component. So what is the error? Cart data dot length, and here we have a cart data. Let's remove this. Let's check this. Is there anything? No, nothing. So it should return. Why this is not returning? All products. Let's go to all products. Okay, products dot map product single. All right. Checkout. We have this thing. Okay, this should return the data. Okay, cart data dot, is it spelling correct? Yes, cart data dot map item index. If I return simple p tag and then put here, is it doing something? No. So what is the issue? Cart data dot, no, product price. Here it is showing console dot, if I say cart data, then it is showing the things. If I say dot map function map, if I say array object, okay, let me check this. Okay, actually we were doing one thing wrong, that is a syntax. Actually it should be a return, then this one, and then we need to imply this one, right? So now it's returning the data. So we can show index here. Actually let's show the index. So it will be 0 1. Later we can see +1 if we do. Yep, this is what. So now this is number, and this is the product item, and then we need to also add the product price and product image. Okay, so let's go to product detail, right? And first of all we remove everything from the cart. So what we will do, set cart data. So here where it is, cart JSON local storage. Okay, so from local storage we will remove the data. So here we are, remove item. Okay, remove item. When we will go to the product detail, then it will remove the item, every item, right? So what it is, what it is doing. Okay, actually we have not removed from the context. We need to remove from the context also. If you go here, then it is fetching from the context. Okay, and fetch data, set product data. Okay, let's here we have a header, and from the header use context and we are getting the data. Actually we need to go to app.js file, app.js, and here we are getting item. So let's remove item. Actually header component. All right, what it is saying, card data is null on type error. Okay, so now card data is null. So this is a new thing. If our card data is null, then we can't do something. Where is that header number 7? Card data of 58. All right, let's say if card data equal to null, then we will show card data equal to 0. 8 number line, invalid assignment to constant card data. Is this okay? Invalid assignment constant card data, invalid assignment. What we have in this? No, we can do one thing. We can do where length equal to 0, or we can say cart items equal to 0, else cart items equal to cart data dot length. So now we can show here the cart items, right? Okay, so everything is working now. So this is not what is the issue? Let's see. Cart data is null. Okay, so check out card data is null, then it is on 11 number line, the same thing. So what we can do here, copy and check out, and card items. I think it will also give the error for 28 number line. So what we will do, this and okay. So also we will not show this things. Okay, we will customize the message that if nothing in this page, then we will not show anything. Okay, so we will say here we will show footer, or we can do one thing, all items we will let's remove this row. Let's we will say, right? So if cart data add, right? And if not cart data, then we will show something. If not, then what we can show here, we can show nothing in the cart, right? Or we can show two things, back to home page we can show, right? So we can show here home, and it should be success. Okay. Okay. All right. So we will more do some customization on this page, but right now it's nothing in the cart. So let's go to the cart, product detail here, and add to cart. Okay. Oh, what it is saying now? Checkout.js 29 number line. So checkout.js 29 number line. Oh, it should not give us this response. One item here, and if you go here and click on this Django, we already added. Click on this, add to cart, everything is working. Django project, Python project, right? So now we need to do two things, actually three things. We need to add image in the cart, price in the cart, and calculate the total, right? So when we go to the product detail, right, so here let's implement a remove from the cart, then we will easily remove from the cart. Then let's see. So we will copy this function checkout, and here we will paste this, and set cart data we have, which one is set cart data, which you state we are using button click status, button click status, okay. And then set cart data cart JSON, okay. So button click status we need to copy, cart button click status, copy this one, right? And then we need to copy set product data, okay. Use state is not defined, okay, I understand. So use state, set card data is not defined. Set card data, where is this? 9 number line. Checkout.js, set card data, okay. This one, let this be this thing. All right, so now we have everything, okay. In the product detail, we need to implement the remove functionality, right? So product detail, we have a remove button here, remove from the cart, okay. Copy this, checkout page, and in another tab we have a th, and we will say action, right? And then in the another td, right, we will say, we don't need to check this because this table will only show if cart item exists. So remove from the cart. So remove cart handler on click. So what we need to do, we need to assign this thing, right? And we need to pass here the item dot product dot id, item dot product dot id, and what else? Expected. Is this okay? The syntax is okay or not? Let's check this in more view. This is the handler. Why this is showing this? Is it okay? Maybe we need to pass this here. Product ID, right? And this will be our product ID, right? And then constant click status. Fail to load binding number expression. Let's check this. Click function in ReactJs. Pass param on click ReactJs. Okay, can't pass a value method. Stack Overflow is best. On click. Okay, so here and then here. All right, so this is okay now. So we can remove this. So remove from cart. So when we click, it should remove from the cart and update everything. So when we click on this, it will do these things. Try. Let's try. Remove. Not working. When we click here, oh, it's working. All right. Remove. So everything is working. So if we go to view add here and let's add my cart, remove, right? So working here everything, and so this page is actually working. What it is saying, null, not null. It means cart data has some value. Let's see what it have. It is not null, then what it has. Okay, empty array. We'll say or card data dot length equal to 0, right? And this will be or here. We will say here cart items. Let's say cart items, right? And here we will also say what it is saying. Cart home. Why this is showing 0? Where is 0? All items. After that somewhere else. Let's say false. Actually, let's say not equal to 0. All right, this can work, right? So let's see here. This will be here. Okay, so home. Okay, and then we have click here, add to cart, my cart, and everything is working. But we need to add price and product image also, right? So when we go to product detail, let's remove here, right? And let's add two more things, product image and price. So price and image, right? And price and image, we are showing something, product images dot map, but we should have thumbnail for the image. No, view all product. So let's see what is the name of the component, all products. So single product, this thing, product dot image. Okay, right. So we need to go to checkout detail and product data dot price image. What is the name? Price. Oh yeah, price. All right. So now we can show on the checkout, we can show the price dot price, and for the image we can show this thing, checkout. Where is that? Image thumbnail width 80, class image thumbnail, class image thumbnail, and width equal to 80. In the alt we can add the product title, right? So now if you go here, add to cart, my cart, let's see what it is saying. Props, where is the props? No need for props. It should be like 55 number 9, item dot image, product dot title, and everything is okay. Component is not updating, not sure why. Source checkout, source item product dot image. So here we are, console. If we console the card data, if we console the card data, then what we have, title, price, why don't image, where is image? Image is here, then why not showing here? Image, this one, let's remove from the card. Home, Python, Python, add to cart, my cart. Why this is not showing the image? Source item dot product dot image, console, array, object id, title, price, image is undefined. All right, so image is undefined. Because cart string, else cart data. Product ID, fetch data, set product data. In the set product data, we are product data, set product data. Set product data, product data dot image. Are we fetching image from the serializer? Let's go to main serializer, product list, product image, product detail. No, we are not. Product detail serializer, so it should be image. Now let's see. Remove, home, Python, Django, add to cart, and then if you go to my cart, here it is showing. So everything is working now. Image is here, price is here, and now we need to calculate the total of every item, right? So Django, we already added. If we go Python, add to cart, my cart, and we need to calculate the total amount, right? So let's calculate that. Okay, so for calculating the sum, we need to apply just a simple thing. We have applied here the map function. We take a variable and map function, then adding the values to the sum variable and then showing that sum, right? So everything is working now. We can remove from the cart and it will show the data. We can go home, we can go Python and add to cart, and then we can go to Django, and here we are, Django, add to cart, my cart, and everything is working here, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Next we will work on the we will try to complete the cart functionality with the payment gateway and all things, and then we will move to the next things. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will please forgive me for the voice that I have recorded in this video. Something was wrong because for my mic issue, but thank you for your patience, and thank you for your support. And you can download the practice projects from the projectsplaza.com, where I'm uploading Django and other technologies project. So you can download, and server is not running, maybe some issue, or maybe projectsplaza.com. So this is fine, but not sure why this is not searching here, but you can check, and you can download. That is also big support for me. And if you need the source code of this project, then you can check my GitHub account. I have uploaded every instruction there, so you can download. You can just send me message and I will give you the project with some some support from you. So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.